Okay, so today we're here at Girl and Goat in Los Angeles.
One of our favorite restaurants from Stephanie Izard.
It's actually the sister restaurant of the one that she has in Chicago, the original Girl and Goat. Just amazing. Like, the food is fantastic. There's so much flavor. We love coming here. So
We just ordered some dishes for us to try out.
we just started off with one of our favorite appetizers that they have here, which is Naan and Dips that they have. It sounds really simple, but the dips are so flavorful. I love how much flavor she packs into them. So one of them is this tahini tofu dip, and then they also comes with this carrot hummus that has some cheese on top. So these are fantastic.
All right.
Okay, so let's try off with some naan here.
All right.
We've got lots of green onion on there. It looks like it has some crispy garlic. And, okay, so we're just gonna do a little bit of naan.
Oh.
Oh my god. That carrot hummus is so good. I feel like the carrot hummus is slightly sweet from the carrot. And I don't know what else she puts on top. It's almost like a little salsa, but it's kind of like a sweet salsa, so I'm not sure what's in it, but it's amazing.
You can taste the mixture of the different spices and sesame oil.
Because that's the tahini tofu.
Oh. What?
So much flavor.
Wow. Yeah, the carrot one has a really nice tangy flavor. And the tahini ones have that nice little spice. A little bit of Korean spices or sesame oil. And
I love the quinoa on top. It seems like it's been toasted slightly, so it has like a slightly kind of toasty flavor to it. It's really good.
Just the combination of a tanginess and then a savory combo that you have with the naan just really completes the dish.
Yeah.
My next dish here is actually probably one of my favorite salads, shrimp and crispy greens. Basically a shrimp salad, but it's got avocado, it's got strawberries, it's got pito crunch, it's got some lime herb dressing in there as well. And then the shrimp is just grilled to perfection.
Yeah, it sounds really simple, but it just has so much flavor. I love it. You got like the cool greens and then like the hot shrimp. It comes all together. It's just fantastic.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very good. Oh, good. That creaminess of the avocado in that. She grilled the shrimp here just perfectly. And then that crunchy texture on top just.
Yeah, just enough dressing. Not too much. Simple, but.
The strawberry, a little strawberry flavor in there. A little nice little surprise, but it works.
Yeah.
Really well.
Yeah, I love how she uses fruit in a lot of her dishes. It's just like an unexpected
Very creative.
kind of surprise. Just with a pop of sweetness and freshness. Really good. There's so much balance. Like balance of creamy, crispy, fresh and earthy.
Sweet and spicy.
Yeah.
Nice juxtaposition of different flavors.
For sure. We ordered is the king salmon poke, and it comes with grilled pineapple relish, pickled blueberries, and then crispy halibut skin.
It's actually a new dish. We haven't tried this one before, so it's super excited.
Yeah, this looks really good.
All right, let's try this. Whoa.
Oh wow. Oh, that pop of blueberry. Oh my god, that salmon is super buttery.
The buttery salmon, that crispy halibut skin, just so much flavor just exploding, and then balancing it with that blueberry to like soften the savory and flavor.
Blueberry gives it just like a little pop of sweetness.
It just balances it all out perfectly.
And I also really like the balance of the softness of the fish and the blueberry, but then it's got the crispy skin, you know, the balance of texture, which is really good. That's amazing. It's really good. It's really good. Very fresh tasting. Good for summer.
That slight pineapple relish flavor in there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's got the sweetness of the pineapple relish. Yeah, I really like the fruit with this.
I think there's a little bit of chili oil in there too.
Yeah, just like a little touch of
Just a little
spice.
touch, yeah, just to give it an extra little flavor.
Just a little bit of heat.
But
Excellent. So flavorful.
so good.
It's like an explosion of flavor in your mouth. There's so much going on. It's almost hard to describe what's going on. There's so much. Amazing.
Crispy halibut skin really adds that texture, and a nice fresh flavor. It accentuates the creamy salmon.
Your chips are so good too. I don't know what's on them, but they're seasoned. So they have flavor to them.
Magnificent.
Yeah, this is a new one for us, and this is amazing. I would definitely get this again.
Oh yeah.
I think we're gonna probably order some dessert.
Yeah. I got the mango sticky rice
And sometimes they sell out of it because it's so good, so you have to come.
yeah, that's right. We came here one time and they sold out.
Is that good? The mango sticky rice dessert. So basically it has I guess it's a mango tamarind ice cream, some kind of coconut foam, a watermelon granita, and I think it's like a green mango, like pickled green mango underneath. So it's really good.
It's really good. It looks nothing like the traditional mango sticky rice, but that combination, when it's all mixed together, tastes exactly like a mango sticky rice. It's crazy. Wow.
So creamy. You can taste the coconut cream right away. Like a subtle coconut cream. And the chewy, soft, sticky rice. Gives it a really nice texture. So good. Have to give this some coconut. Amazing. Again, such a nice balance of the nice like warm gooiness of the rice, and then the nice like bright fruity flavor of the mango.
It's so good.
It almost kind of tastes like a gooey oatmeal on the bottom. It's like a warm gooey oatmeal.
Like a sweet porridge. That nice sweet, fruity porridge.
Yes, but with texture. Yeah, and I guess there's mango in the ice cream and pieces of the mango. Like two different places with mango.
Yeah.
Mango two different ways. So good. You have to stay room for this if you come here. It's worth it.
Have to.
And honestly, we were kind of full just from those few dishes we had. So you can see we didn't even get like a big like main dish or anything like that. It's got a couple of small side dishes and then the dessert, and
that's it.
Like I'm full.
It's definitely a great restaurant where you can just order a bunch of appetizers and sit with friends.
Yeah.
Everything's good here, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much. You can't go wrong. So
vegetarians or meat eaters, like accommodates both.
Alright guys, so that was the goat. Never lets us down. Every time we come here, we leave happy.
Shrimp salad.
Yeah, we've got that shrimp salad, the naan and dips. Every time we come here. That's probably my favorite dish. Honestly, of everything we get, that's my favorite savory dish. Yeah, honestly, the dips are just so good. And then that poke we got this time.
That king salmon poke, that was a really good dish. Highly recommend this restaurant if you guys like smart American dishes with really good flavors.
Yeah, if you like bold flavors, you'll like.
If you like bold flavors,
really strong flavors.
This restaurant is fantastic. Highly recommend. If you like our content, please click like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.